Hiya! Hello everybody. Let's work on our low X block or Hadan Songsu Mahk. Hadan Songsu Mahk. Hadan Songsu Mahk. Reinforced low block, low X block. Good. For my jam load, I'm going to bring my blocking hand is going to be on top and my chambering hand is going to be on the bottom. Now, it looks like I'm holding a pole. That's what it should look like. So ready? That if I want to block with my right hand will be on top. If I want to block with my left hand will be on top. Ready? Jam load. Reset. Other way. Jam load. Reset. Jam load. Reset. Jam load. Reset. Good, let's add that block. Jam load. Twist and bring it down. Now you want the wrists to be connected. You don't want them to be apart from each other. You're blocking a low kick to your private parts. So we don't want our hands to be flat like this. We want the ability to do like a thumbs up, but we're not actually doing a thumbs up. Good. Reset. And block. Height. Reset. And block. Height. And other side. Jam load. Bring it down. Height. Jam load. Bring it down. Height. Jam load. Bring it down. Height. Good. Let's add a stance. So this is going to be a little bit tricky. Our hand and our feet are opposite. So I'm going to jam load. If I step forward with my left foot, I bring it down. Height. My right hand is on top. Good. And reset. Jam load. Step. Bring it down. Height. And reset. Jam load. Step. Bring it down. Height. Back hand. Back foot. Back hand. On top. Yes, sir. And reset. Opposite. Ready? Jam load. Step. Bring it down. Height. Good. And reset. Jam load. Step. Height. And bring it down. Reset. One more. Jam load. Step. Twist and bring it down. Height. Good. Notice how my back is straight. I'm not leaning forward. All right, everybody. That is our low X block or Hadan Songsu Mahk in Korean. Practice what you learned. Make it rock.